Welcome back to Piston Power. Today, we are looking at a vehicle that plays a crucial role in everyday transportation across many parts of Asia, the Bajaj 12-seater rickshaw. It's not flashy or fast, but it's a workhorse designed to move people reliably and affordably. Let's dive into what makes this vehicle stand out. At first glance, the Bajaj 12-seater rickshaw resembles a stretched-out version of the classic three-wheeler. It's longer and slightly taller to accommodate the extended passenger cabin. The front end remains similar to the smaller Bajaj models, with a basic dashboard and compact driver area. The real difference starts behind the driver, where seating for up to 12 passengers is usually arranged in a face-to-face bench configuration that allows for mass commuting in tight urban areas or rural routes. The exterior is functional more than stylish, with a metal frame and a durable canvas or fiberglass roof depending on the variant. Windows are often sliding or fixed glass panels, giving some protection from wind and rain while maintaining airflow. Some versions even come with steel grills for safety and added rigidity. Powering this 12-seater is typically a single-cylinder or twin-cylinder diesel or CNG engine, depending on the region and fuel availability. The engine isn't about speed, it's about torque and fuel efficiency. Most models top out around 50–60 km per hour, which is more than enough for city roads and rural paths. The fuel economy is excellent, often exceeding 25 km/h for diesel and even better with CNG, making it one of the most cost-effective people movers in its class. Despite its size and purpose, the vehicle is surprisingly nimble. Its turning radius is tight enough for crowded city streets, and the suspension is basic but capable of handling rough roads, speed bumps, and uneven village tracks. Of course, with a full passenger load, performance is modest, and uphill climbs can be slower, but that's to be expected from a utility-first machine. Inside, comfort is basic but functional. Vinyl-covered seats are easy to clean and durable, though not exactly plush. Ventilation depends on open windows or, in some cases, a small electric fan. There's usually basic interior lighting, but little else in terms of modern conveniences. Still, it's easy to step in and out of the vehicle, and the cabin height allows passengers to sit upright comfortably. The Bajaj 12-seater rickshaw isn't designed for luxury, it's built for affordability, durability, and ease of maintenance. Parts are widely available and cheap, and a simple mechanical layout means repairs can often be done quickly, even in remote areas. This ease of upkeep makes it a favorite among operators who run it daily for public transportation or school pickups. On the road, it might not be the quietest or smoothest ride, but it gets the job done. It's ideal for short to medium distance commuting, especially in areas where buses are too large or expensive to run frequently. Whether it's ferrying workers, school children, or market-goers, the 12-seater rickshaw fills a crucial gap in the transport ecosystem. To sum it up, the Bajaj 12-seater rickshaw is a symbol of practical transport, affordable, efficient, and built with purpose. It may not turn heads like a new SUV or electric bike, but its value to communities is undeniable. For anyone considering a reliable people mover with low running costs and high passenger capacity, this Bajaj is worth a serious look. Thanks for watching Piston Power. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to share it with someone who rides or drives one of these every day. See you in the next review.